crash that happened that led us to him. Our, I don't want to say heinous, however, it's quite severe. Mr. Dunning only turned himself in when he knew that we were coming in. He got a phone call saying that Hazel Park detectives were looking for him. That's when he chose to call our station in terms of body hair search.
Thank you. Anything else, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
No. There aren't, whether or not he has a criminal history only calculates into the decision-making matrix as to whether or not he's going to go to jail, potentially with his prior record variables. I have to also take into account the offense variables himself, and the bottom line is a man was left dead or dying at the side of the road, and there is some reason to believe that, in fact, alcohol was involved prior to this. You say he has no indicia of flight, but the record, I think, indicates otherwise. He didn't come in until some 10 days later, when the evidence of whether or not alcohol was in his system would have been long since gone, thereby trying to minimize the offense that he's charged with today, potentially successfully. So I think that there is a high indication of the potential for flight. There is a high indication of incarceration upon conviction. There's a high indication that, in fact, he will be convicted based on statements of himself and others. I am going to set bond in the amount of $150,000 cash surety. I'm going to order that, should the bond be posted, that in fact the GPS and alcohol tether be put in place. He's not to use, possess, or be present in any places where alcohol is sold, and he is going to submit to random screens as determined by this court and or Oakland County pretrial supervision. You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that it? We'll stand in recess.
All rise. Court in recess.